English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Conversion of Time. Number 2, write the number of the day of following month. Shravan month 31 days. Bhadra month 31 days. Agrahayan month 30 days. Chaitra month 30 days. April month 30 days. July month 31 days. August in 31 days, and also December in 31 days. Okay, here has a technique for the English months day calculation. What month in which days? If you want to learn this technique, just comment, and I will learn you the technique. You can identify on your hand that what month in which days. Thank you.